Hi there, I'm Hannah, and I have the knee-high knuckle boot from Roper. Here with this wonderful leather-like upper material that does go all the way up the shaft. We have gorgeous buckle detailing here and here, adding a little bit of extra pizzazz. Not to mention a full side zip for that easy on-off wear and hidden goring for added stretch. We do have a wonderful lining as well as a cushioned footbed, followed by a nice little heel here, giving you the perfect amount of height to go along with this awesome outsole too. Get ready to stand out with your fabulous new boots from Roper.